Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Google Slides on your iPhone or any Android device that you own. It is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to add music to your Google Slides from the Google Slides app itself on your device or mobile phone. Now, simply open your Google Slides app and make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in into my account. Now, here, simply go to the presentation where you want to add the music or audio to. Now simply click on it and click on edit slides. After that, click on plus icon and here scroll down and you'll find the option called link. Google Slides on iOS doesn't currently let you to upload your audio directly to your device, so you might need to record your voice somewhere else and copy the link of that particular file and paste it on your presentation by using the plus icon over here and using the link over here. And you can select which slide you want to add it to. Simply paste the link here and you'll be able to enjoy music on a presentation to make it more catchy and more attractive for viewers. And that's it guys, your slides now have a background music to make a presentation more engaging. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more Google Slide tutorials and comment below which music you'd like to add first. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.